Welcome to our channel HNI News.
Today we are going to discuss about the latest update on healthcare innovation. The upcoming launch of the National Health Claim Exchange, NHCX platform. It is a digital health claims platform jointly developed by the National Health Authority, NHA, and the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India as a part of the Ayushman Bharat digital mission. The existing system of claim processing is highly complex. Currently, insurance companies have separate portals where health insurance claims are processed. Differences in the processes have made the claim settlement process cumbersome and time-consuming for both hospitals and patients. The current process lacks standardization across the ecosystem, with most data exchange occurring through PDF manual methods. Additionally, there are no established health standards for which processes vary significantly among insurers, TPAs, and providers. How does NHCX help? NHCX will serve as a single window interface connecting health insurance companies, hospitals, and policyholders. Its primary goal is to streamline the health claim filing process by replacing cumbersome manual procedures with a standardized, digitized system. The platform will act as a gateway for exchanging claims-related information among various stakeholders in the healthcare and health insurance ecosystem. How it will help various stakeholders. For health insurance companies, NHCX provides a common platform to process and settle claims efficiently for hospitals and service providers. Hospitals can use NHCX to submit details of treatments, expenses, and other relevant information for claim verification. Policyholders. Individuals seeking health insurance claims benefit from the simplified process enabled by NHCX. Benefits of NHCX: faster claim processing. NHCX acts as a single platform for insurers, patients, and healthcare providers to securely share claim data. This eliminates the need for manual paperwork and facilitates faster claim approvals. Improved interoperability. The platform ensures seamless exchange of standardized health information across different healthcare systems. This reduces the chances of errors and delays due to data incompatibility. One portal can be used to raise claims and upload documents from multiple insurance companies. It would create portable digital health records that insurance companies could utilize for portability and in many other ways. NHCX is expected to promote transparency in the claim settlement process. Policyholders can easily track the status of their claims, access details of turnaround time, and other relevant information. The claim processing time and cashless approval time would decrease, benefiting the policyholders. It's expected to benefit all stakeholders. Patients will experience quicker claim settlements, hospitals will receive faster reimbursements, and insurers can improve operational efficiency. Make the process transparent and expected to reduce frauds. Implementation plan. Set to launch in the next 2 to 3 months. The NHCX is a key part of the Ayushman Bharat digital mission's broader strategy. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority has urged all insurers and service providers to join this new initiative. Once operational, the NHCX will connect with health insurance companies and 200+ hospitals nationwide. More hospitals and insurers is expected to join in near future. Major insurance companies like Aditya Birla Health Insurance, Star Health and Allied Insurance, Bajaj Allianz Insurance, HDFC Ergo Insurance, ICICI Lombard General Insurance, New India Assurance Company, Tata AIG General Insurance, and United India Insurance have already finished integration with NHCX. NHCX is the next major reform in the insurance industry. This transformation in health insurance claim processing promises transparency, operational efficiency, readily available MIS, reduced cost, and improved turnaround time. It's expected to reduce fraudulent claims, duplicate claims, and provide a win-win solutions to all stakeholders. Please like and share and subscribe to the channel for more news related to health and insurance. Thanks!